Talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Microsoft Edge app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, so then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, click here on apps, come to apps list here. Indeed, you're looking for Microsoft Edge app, or just click on search. Then here at Edge app, it's going to show for you like this here. Click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then here you search for Microsoft Edge. It's going to show for you like this. You will find the updates, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.